A cyclist starts from the center O of a circular park of radius 1 kilometer, reaches edge P, cycles along the circumference and returns to the center along QO. If the trip takes 10 minutes, find net displacement, average velocity and average speed. So he is starting from O, then he is reaching point P, then he is going to Q, then he is coming to O. What is the net displacement? It is 0 because the initial and final points are same, that is O. What is average velocity? That is net displacement by total time. That is also 0 because net displacement is 0. What is average speed? Average speed is total distance by total time. What is the total distance? It is OP plus PQ plus QO. OP plus PQ plus QO by total time T. That is 1 plus 1.57 plus 1. Why it is 1.57? PQ, length of PQ is 1.57 because PQ is nothing but length of the arc. So we know length of the arc equals to r theta, that is radius into theta, that is angle subtended by the arc. That is 1, radius is given 1 kilometer and angle subtended is 90 degrees, so it is pi by 2. We know the value of pi is 3.14, so 3.14 by 2 equals to 1.57. We can also find it by another way, that is the circumference of the circle, that we know it as 2 pi r and it is 1/4. So 2 pi r by 4, that will give you pi r by 2. Pi r by 2, that is also pi by 2 because radius equals to 1. Now what is the time? Time equals to 1 by 6. Why we are writing 1 by 6? We are finding in hours because we have taken this in kilometers. So this we are writing in hour. That is 60 minutes. We know it is 1 hour. So 1 minute is 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 1 minute is 1 by 60 hour. So 1 minute is 1 by 60 hour. So 10 minutes is 10 by 60 hour. That is 1 by 6 hour. So that is the total time. That is 1 by 6. So on dividing this, we are getting, on solving this, we are getting 21.42 km per hour. The ceiling of a long hall is 25 meters high. What is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meters per second can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall? So what they have given? So this is the ceiling. It is 25 meters high. What is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown? So what is they are asking this distance, that is range. They are asking the range and they have given it is thrown with 40 meters per second at certain angle and it should not hit the ceiling. So that is the question. So it should not hit the ceiling. What is the range covered? Given that is 25 meters and given her initial velocity is 40 meters per second. So we know the maximum h max, that is maximum value of height, equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. Why we are using this? Because to find range, we know it is u square sin 2 theta by g. We have the value of u, we have the value of g, but we know what we should know what is theta. So to find theta, we are substituting this substituting in this formula, h is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. From this we are writing sin square theta equals to 2gh by u square. 2g is 9.8 meter per second square, h is 25 meters by u square is 40 square. From this we are getting sin theta equals to 0.5534, theta equals to 33.6 degrees. Now we are getting the value of theta. What is the value of range? U square sin 2 theta by g. U square is 40 square. Sin 2 theta means sin 2 theta. 2 into 33.6 is 67.2 by 9.8. So this we are getting it as 1600 into sin 67.2, it is 0.9219 by 9.8. So we are obtaining the value as 150 by 150.5 meter. A cricketer can throw a ball to a maximum horizontal distance of 100 meter. How much high above the ground can the cricketer throw the same ball? So it is given when a cricketer can throw a ball at certain angle with horizontal, let's suppose theta, with velocity u, and it is covering maximum horizontal distance of 100 meters, that is maximum range, that is 100 meters. And they are asking how much height will the same ball will go if he is throwing vertically upwards. So this case, what is the maximum height they are asking? Now we know the formula of range, that is u square sine 2 theta by g, and they have given it as maximum horizontal distance. So for maximum horizontal distance, sine 2 theta must be 1 or theta equals to 45 degree. So that is r max equals to u square by g. We know r max, that is 100 meter, that is given, that is equals to u square by g. Now let us take vertically thrown upwards this case. If it is vertically thrown upwards with some same velocity u, so they are asking the height. So what is the height? But they are throwing again with the same velocity but not at an angle, it is thrown vertically upwards. V square minus u square equals to 2gh. So at maximum height, we know velocity of the ball is 0. So we can write v square as 0. So minus u square equals to 2gh. I am taking u is in this direction. If I am taking that as positive, then g is in this direction. So I should take it as in the negative. So it is minus 2gh. So this minus and this minus goes off because this is 0. So u square equals to 2gh. H is equals to u square by 2g. We know the value of u square by g, that is 100. So u square by g is 100 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of 100 is 50 meters.